How to read and analyze a text passage and apply ideas. Introduction. Applying ideas from a text involves using the information you've learned in one context to help you understand or solve problems in a new but similar situation. This process deepens comprehension and allows you to make meaningful connections between different pieces of information. This guide will demonstrate how to read, analyze, and apply ideas from a text passage. Step-by-step process. Read the passage. Carefully read the entire passage to understand the context, main idea, and supporting details. Identify key elements. Highlight or underline key concepts, ideas, and details in the passage that stand out as important. Understand the main idea. Determine the central message or theme of the passage. This is the core information you'll need to apply to new situations. Find supporting details. Note the facts, examples, and descriptions that reinforce the main idea. These details provide the foundation for applying the main idea elsewhere. Look for similar elements in new situations. Identify elements in a new context that are analogous to the elements in the passage. Use your understanding of the passage to draw parallels and make informed decisions or interpretations in the new context. Sample passage. Passage. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, are becoming increasingly important in our efforts to combat climate change. These sources of energy produce little to no greenhouse gas emissions, making them a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. Additionally, renewable energy is sustainable, as it is derived from natural processes that are replenished constantly. By investing in renewable energy infrastructure, countries can reduce their reliance on finite resources and promote environmental sustainability. Application. Imagine you are part of a city planning committee tasked with proposing solutions for reducing the city's carbon footprint. Applying the ideas from the passage, you would focus on advocating for investments in renewable energy infrastructure such as solar panels and wind turbines. By doing so, the city can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainability. Conclusion. Applying ideas from a text passage involves transferring the understanding of key concepts and details to new, similar situations. By reading the passage thoroughly, identifying the main idea and supporting details, and then looking for analogous elements in new contexts, you can make informed decisions and deepen your comprehension. Practicing this skill with various texts will enhance your ability to apply knowledge effectively in diverse scenarios. This has been a production of DNJ Designs and Mathman 1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos are uploaded, click on the bell.